Hello everyone. Welcome to Zenwork Payments. Today, we'll walk through how to download the journal report and the transaction statement in Zenwork Payments. First, from the Payments dashboard, select the payer and then click on Transactions. Here, you'll be able to view all the transactions related to the respective vendors, including details such as vendor name, bill numbers, bill amount, payment status, and more. At the top of the page, you'll see a filter option that allows you to view transactions based on their status, such as paid, failed, or reversed. Next to the filter, you'll find a download icon. Click on this icon to download the transaction reports. You'll see two options for downloading the transactions. Payroll Journal Report summarizes all payroll transactions for a specific pay period and includes only transactions that have been successfully paid. And Transaction Statement is a report that displays the details of all payments that have been processed. Once you select the report type, the file will be sent to the email address displayed below. Simply click Send via email. After receiving the email, open it and download the report. The Payroll Journal Report includes only paid transactions. Follow the same process to download the transaction statement. The statement includes all transactions, such as paid, failed, and reversed. And that's how you can download the journal report and the transaction statement in Zenwork Payments. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.